So I guess I'm live again. Let's see how this works. So at 15 I will move this and see when at least 5 seconds. Interesting. Okay, maybe Twitch is faster, who knows. Whatever. So I will do something I'm not used to be doing, and I don't know if I will actually share this link or not. I will work on something and share my thinking and show you how this is done. I guess this will also be useful for me, because if I ever need to get back to what I've done. So let's start. I will listen to some music meanwhile that you will not listen to, otherwise I will have a copyright strike. So the goal of today's stream is to get this working. So I have a 3D file of a 3D scan, and I want to generate fake data like this. So the first thing I will do is this: test how this framework Blenderproc works, and if I can get it to work. So I copied the repo and I changed the Blender file where it is here. Maybe I can just show you up to a temporary Blender, so that if it installs a new version of Blender, this will not be a big deal. I changed also the Anaconda environment to sandbox. What I need to understand is how this works. So I have a YAML file here, and here are all of the settings. So here they say it loads object loader, I guess, then light loader, okay, camera position, from camera loader module. I will move this to the other screen so I can see it. Oh, so it's working. It's starting rendering. Okay, we'll wait. And then writes the output to the HD5 container. Okay, renders. Where is the camera loader, light loader, renders, and writes. Okay, so now let's have a look into the not so basic. Maybe this one. So can I just drag and drop this? I guess not. examples, and then what was it again? Basic object pose. Okay, so it's one object. It started rendering, if you wonder. Oh, that was fast. Oh, that was very fast. So to view it, can just use this. Tac tac tac. Colors, distance. I wonder what this is. Okay, that's it. We only have one file. No, we do have two. Oh, because okay. I guess we have two because we have two camera point of views. So we'll check this. Yes, we'll check this by changing the camera point. There's the YAML file here. No, not the YAML file. We have camera positions here. I will copy this one and we will change. Why do we have 4? I have no idea why do we have 4. Let's just change this to 0, or maybe the first one to 0. 0, save, render again, move it to the other side. Okay, so we have an error. Number of values 6. Okay, that makes more sense. How many values do we have here? Oh, okay. Let's copy this and then let's change. So we have one here, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's change this one to 1. Let's change this one to -1. Save. Actually, very happily surprised by this. That the error was so clear. Okay, it's rendering. Shouldn't take long at all. I guess you can just wait. Haha. At least we got something, but it did work. So that's a bit of a challenge to know how this will work. What I will do next is change this object. So let's open Blender. Let's remove everything. Import. It's an object that I have on my desktop. Mushroom cache, texture. I think it's this one, or maybe not. I think it's this one. I think this might take a very long time to load. file is very big. Oh. Okay, so what we can do, first thing we can do is readjust this, rotate around the x-axis, I guess. Yes, move here. Okay, that's already way better. Now let's go to wire something mode. Edit mode with tab. Edit mode. Oh man. Yes, and then select all of these. Just delete everything. Delete all of these as well. Should already be way faster, so if we go just around one, can delete these. So this is a plant. It's far from being perfect. Maybe I can show you the pictures I used. 250 pictures in 3 different, maybe I can also show you. So these are the pictures, 4 rows, 4 circle of pictures that gave of these plants. You can see them here. 250 pictures in total. Here you can see the picture. This was done on Mushroom. It didn't work the first time because I didn't have enough space. I needed more than 22 gigs, I think, or something like that. How much? Yeah, 26 gigs. Crazy. So back to our small plant. Delete the vertices here as well. Delete. We need to clean it as much as we can. Maybe I will just, nah, you know what, I leave the edit mode, rotate around the x-axis, no, wrong axis, rotate around the x-axis, no, wrong axis, rotate around, or maybe is it not? Okay, I see, it's not the wrong axis, rotate around the x, oh it is, the z-axis, the y-axis. Okay. Rotate around the y-axis. Hello. Then go to wireframe, edit mode, select all of these and just delete them. Now we can have a look. See material preview. I love this wheel so much. So as you can see, we do have some details, but we also are missing a lot. Maybe it's better to just model them. But we need to test this. But we got a lot of details here, and you can even read it. Crazy IKEA. Okay, let's export this. Right. Put everything in the blend file. Make everything relative as a path, and then export STL. Now OBJ. Dump blend here. Just replace it. New render. I think this will not work. Don't have much hope. I guess we have to try. Okay, nothing. This was the third file. Oh, we do have something. Oh, it did work. Very well. Great. Maybe if we make the object bigger. Let's scale it up. S, and then grab, and 7, grab back to here. Oh, this looks better. File, export. Usually I don't like working like this. Don't know why. And we even got the textures, which is even better. New render, please. I would like to have a look at the. Close this. I'd like to have a look at these files. Oh, okay. Serialized file. Same here. Okay. Interesting. It's an open source file format for complex files. Sorry. Render done. That's good. That's very, very good. Interestingly enough, the distance map it does give a bit of info, but not much. Better. I wonder if we can really train a neural network with this kind of data. Let's see. What do we want next? Next we want some randomization. So this is the basic scene. Oh, maybe we can Oh, maybe we can get camera positions from a file. Let's see if the top view, for example, let's see here, script. Can't we get everything on the same place? Let's see. Where is import BPI? Key camera was not found. Okay, we have to add camera, and then if we click on 0 we will see through the camera. I forgot how to move inside the camera. So what we will do is just grab the camera and move it manually like this. We also wanted the camera to be rotated like this. Perfect. It's good enough. Back here. Camera was not found. Maybe should I rename it camera? Yes. Okay, that's good. And then camera rotation. Now let's add this to the camera position file. If this works, we can just generate positions, and then okay, can remove the bracket here. Copy. They just have spaces in between. Up, one space, one space, one space, and just one space here and one space here. No, one space. Okay, good. Good. Save. Let's render this. Meanwhile, we will read about the other randomization. What does this one do? Okay, we will have to edit the config file here as well. What loads? Okay, select objects and changes their pose based on the condition. I guess there is a file also. Position. No, there aren't any, even for the camera. Camera loader. Okay. I think the intrinsic and extrinsic, we'll test it. But I think these are parameters of a picture. You have the intrinsic parameters that are associated to a camera, and the extrinsic that are associated to the picture you are taking, something like this. Oh, great. Oh, very nice. It did work. Oh, very, very nice. Okay, cool. I mean, this didn't work this well. Hopefully it's not a robot we are training. Okay, let's go to the other file. Basic, yeah, it's this one. So here the object is a PLI format. We'll edit this first. TMP. And then what do we have here? Okay. Light loader, camera loader. I feel like a lot of information is added here, information that was on the other file, the outside file. Is everything going good for the stream? Is there a way I can check? Yes. Okay, is there a way I can change this? I think it's something I need to change on OBS side. Okay, whatever. Back to here. Yes. So I move this to this screen. This to this screen. This to this screen. Tak. Here. Oh, I think I forgot to save the other file here. save, and here we can quit without, and we can relaunch it. Okay, let's read. Loads an object and adds custom property. This is required by the operator. Okay. Sets the object in Okay. Let's see if we can have a look. Yes, output, I guess, and output blob data, camera JSON train blob. Okay, blob data. I'll have to stop the stream